minor scale. Okay, if you vary one note, you've suddenly got the Phrygian mode. It's that flamenco sounding, that kind of discordant, dissonant, very dramatic. Okay, raise the third, and you've got Phrygian dominant. And that's what the Arctic Monkeys using Phrygian dominant. As I said before, it's very unusual for advanced theory and harmony to be in pop music, but there it is. So again, let's deconstruct it. Phrygian dominant, back to Phrygian, back to minor. Okay, so even if you're playing something really simple, you're 1 degree away from something exotic. You move one note in that scale and suddenly everything changes. So there's another mode which in my mind sits right alongside the minor scale, which is the Dorian mode. So again, back to the basics of this. Minor, Dorian mode. So what is it? It's a minor scale with a raised 6. Okay, so again, minor, Dorian, back to minor, Phrygian, Phrygian dominant, back to this.